The Nikon Z6 series has long been celebrated for striking a balance between high performance and versatility, making it a favorite among both photographers and videographers. With the rumors and leaks swirling around the next model, the Z6 IV, anticipation is running high in the photography community. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the speculations hint at a substantial upgrade that could make the Z6 IV a standout addition to Nikon's mirrorless lineup. From a refreshed sensor to enhanced video capabilities, faster shooting, and improved stabilization, the potential of this camera is exciting. At the heart of any camera is the sensor, and the Z6 IV seems poised to make a noticeable leap. Leaks suggest it could feature a sensor in the 30 to 33 megapixel range, slightly higher than the 24 megapixels of the current Z6 III. This would provide photographers with more detail without creating unwieldy file sizes like those in the Z7 series, making it an ideal compromise for professionals and advanced enthusiasts who want high-quality images without the hassle of managing extremely large files. There were even whispers of a 61-megapixel sensor, but that seems unlikely as it would place the Z6 IV too close to the Z7 in terms of resolution, potentially undermining the purpose of. Speed is another area where the Z6 IV could shine. Rumors suggest burst shooting could range from 14 to 20 frames per second, positioning the camera as a strong choice for fast-paced photography, from wildlife to sports and action shots. This high burst rate, combined with a refined autofocus system, would allow photographers to capture fleeting moments with precision. It's not just still photographers who could benefit. Content creators and videographers are likely to appreciate these capabilities, particularly in dynamic shooting environments where timing and accuracy are crucial. Video capabilities are also expected to see major improvements. The Z6 series has always delivered solid video performance, and the Z6 IV could elevate this further with oversampled 4K recording at 60 frames per second, offering smoother footage and enhanced clarity. Even more tantalizing is the potential for 4K at 120 frames per second, which, despite possibly being cropped, would open doors for high-quality slow-motion video. There are also rumors of a new RAW video codec, perhaps even a 6K RAW option, giving professional filmmakers and advanced creators greater flexibility in post-production. Better audio preamps are another potential upgrade, allowing for higher-quality sound recording directly from the camera, which could minimize reliance on external microphones and streamline the shooting process. Image stabilization has long been a strong point for Nikon, and the Z6 IV is rumored to enhance this even further. An improved in-body stabilization system, possibly with an active mode for handheld video, could make it easier to achieve smooth footage on the go without the need for tripods or gimbals. This would be particularly appealing for vloggers, travel videographers, and anyone who works in unpredictable or fast-moving environments. Design-wise, the Z6 IV seems set to retain much of what has made the Z6 III comfortable and user-friendly. Leaks suggest a continuation of the hybrid ergonomic design that Nikon users appreciate, along with a weather-sealed body capable of handling tough outdoor conditions. The fully articulating touchscreen, a feature beloved by vloggers and solo creators, is expected to remain, offering flexibility in framing shots from various angles. There are also hints that the electronic viewfinder might be brighter and more versatile, though these details remain speculative. Storage is another area seeing potential updates. The Z6 IV might adopt a hybrid dual-card slot setup, combining a CF Express Type B slot with an SDHS2 slot. This configuration offers the speed and performance advantages of CF Express cards while maintaining the affordability and accessibility of SD cards. For both photographers and videographers, this setup would provide a practical balance between performance and convenience, ensuring the camera can handle everything from high-resolution images to high-bitrate video. Autofocus is expected to be further refined. While the Z6 III already performs well, leaks suggest that the Z6 IV could deliver faster, more accurate tracking, making it competitive with other high-end mirrorless cameras on the market. This could be particularly important for action, sports, and wildlife photographers who need reliable focus on moving subjects in challenging conditions. Alongside autofocus improvements, better thermal management is rumored. allowing for longer shooting sessions without the risk of overheating, a key consideration for video creators working on extended projects. As for pricing, the Z6 IV is likely to be positioned above the Z6 III, with estimates suggesting a range between $2,700 and $3,000, though official figures will vary based on region, taxes, and import duties. The upgrades and refinements expected in the Z6 IV indicate that Nikon is aiming to cater to high-end enthusiasts and professional creators alike, offering a camera that is versatile, powerful, and capable of handling a wide variety of shooting scenarios. Overall, the Nikon Z6 IV is shaping up to be an exciting evolution in the Z6 lineup. With a higher resolution sensor, faster burst shooting, enhanced video features, improved autofocus, better stabilization, and thoughtful design updates, it seems poised to appeal to photographers and videographers seeking a well-rounded, high-performance mirrorless camera. While these details are based on leaks and should be treated with caution, the early rumors paint a promising picture of what could become one of Nikon's most versatile and capable offerings. Enthusiasts and professionals alike will be watching closely as more official information becomes available, eager to see how these rumored features translate into real-world performance. If these leaks hold true, the Z6 IV could not only build on the strong foundation of the Z6 III but also redefine expectations for mid-tier full-frame mirrorless cameras, offering an enticing blend of performance, flexibility, and practicality for a wide range of creative pursuits.